Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to www.buyy.pk. Today we will give you a review about our new multifunctional flashlight. It's if you are an adventurous person going and doing outdoor activities, then ready for this adventurous flashlight. And why I said it's a adventurous flashlight, cause this one flashlight make your outdoor adventure to the next level. Why? Cause it's multiple functions like their light range are near about 2 kilometer, and their waterproof ability and also availability of power bank in this flashlight. All these features make this torch perfect for camping, hiking, and also rescue operations. And this high powered USB rechargeable tactical torch or flashlight set is designed to withstand the toughest outdoor conditions. With its waterproof and durable design, you can
With its
rely on
durable
it to
design and
light your way
long-lasting
even in the
battery life,
most
this
challenging
flashlight
environment.
is must-have for anyone who love the great outdoor activities. Whether you are professional or not, this flashlight is sure to impress. So, what you waiting for? Get ready to light up the night with this incredible waterproof laser light. Normally, in many flashlights, we are talking about rescue operations, camping, hiking, or any situation where you need to light up the night. So I think this one flashlight is perfect for all these activities. So don't settle for anything less. Experience the thrill of owning the most powerful flashlight on buyy.pk with discounted prices.